This is a story of three lovers whose fates are linked to each other. Rupali is an educated girl and she is very beautiful who lives in Kashmir. Rupali's family is very big. Rupali is the youngest in that family. Ram Verma's wife Sudha Verma is Rupali's mother. Rupali's father has a jewelry shop. Rupali has no problem with anything. Whatever her father Ram Verma asks for, Rupali fulfills it. Rupali has completed her graduation. It's a matter of one day. Rupali's entire family was sitting in the hall of the house. Rupali's grandmother Kaschari Verma said, "Hey Ram son." Ram Verma said how big his Rupali has become. Then yes mother. We don't even know when a daughter grows up, grandmother. Yes son. Okay Ram, have you seen any boy for Rupali or not? Ram Verma, no mother, I haven't seen it yet. Uncle, Kuldeep Verma, said brother. If you said then there is a boy in my eyes. Ram Verma, yes why no? Then the aunt said, brother-in-law, why don't we first ask Rupali about her preferences? What kind of boy does she want? Yes, absolutely right Ram Verma. Rupali was listening to all this while standing in a corner. Meanwhile Rupali's phone rings. Rupali picks up the phone and says, tell me. Did you just remember that my Rupali loves a boy very much whose name is Prem? A very straightforward boy works in a big company. Prem's entire family is straightforward and has no concern with anyone. Just work, Rupali, said Prem. There is talk of my marriage here. Now you tell me when will you meet my mom and dad? Prem, Rupali, I am very scared. Okay, why did I love? Prem, said Rupali, I will come tomorrow to talk to mom and dad. True love, yes, then it's okay, yes. Rupali, okay, I will wait. Meanwhile, auntie comes. Rupali, whom are you talking to? Dasher Rupali's aunt knows everything. Then Rupali's aunt says, Rupali, why don't you tell everyone in the house? Everyone will agree. If Rupali doesn't agree, then aunt says again, has anyone ever forbidden you? Whatever you say, you get it. But auntie, she is not equal. This is a very bad thing, yes. Auntie said, Rupali, I still think everyone will agree and the boy is also an acquaintance. They will say yes as soon as they see it. Rupali said, auntie, let's see what happens tomorrow. It was night. Everyone was sitting at the dinner table and calling out to Rupali, Rupali, eat food. Rupali comes. Everyone starts eating together. At the same time Rupali's phone rings. Rupali gets scared after seeing the phone. Then Rupali's father says, Rupali, pick up the phone. How long has it been ringing? Rupali got nervous and said, no dad, it is my friend's phone, father. Then talk to me. I will go to the room and talk about it. Auntie said, which friend's phone is this? Rupali, do you have a boyfriend? What is it? Then tell me. Rupali got very nervous and said no, auntie, it is nothing like that. Rupali was thinking in her mind that aunt is deliberately teasing me. Meanwhile grandmother spoke eyes, if yes, then we have no problem in saying so. Father, yes son, if there is anyone, then don't tell me, then we will prepare to find a boy. Hearing this from Rupali, she becomes very happy, and after having food, she goes to her room, and after having food, everyone is about to die. Meanwhile, aunt says, I want to tell you something. I know you guys are not angry, what's the matter? Grandmother, what's the matter? Mother Rupali loves a boy. The boy is very good. He has his own job. He is very honest in a big company. Ram Verma, have you met him? Who is he? Where does he live? Whose son is Sujata ji, not in your service? Who is Sujata? Whose husband's name is Rai Singh? Well, Rai Singh's son has a very good family. Mother, what are you saying? Ram's son, then there is no problem. Yes, mother, you know, I want my daughter's happiness, and when the family knows. If it is about identity, then I have no problem. Then tell Rupali, uncle, she said. No, mother. Prem is coming tomorrow. It's a bit of a joke. Okay? Let's all go to sleep. Let's meet in the morning. Let's go to sleep. Let's all go to sleep. But Rupali had happiness on one side and fear on the other. What would happen if everyone refused? What would happen then? But Rupali did not know that she was going to get the biggest happiness, and along with it, another gift which was written by Kismat herself. Another friend. Rupali did not know this. Knowing that she was destined to have two husbands, Rupali's aunt said as soon as the morning came, Rupali comes. What is Rupali? Aunt, Love is coming today. Ask him when will he come. Aunt, I am very scared. What will happen? Nothing will happen. I think everyone will agree. Will this happen? Yes, yes. Come on. Get ready quickly. Prem will definitely come. After some time, Rupali's phone rings. Rupali receives the phone. Say yes, love. Rupali, where are you? Rupali, what do you mean? Where are you? Am I at home this early in the morning? Where else will I stay? I mean, well, friends, I am near your house. Rupali, what is this early in the morning? Prem, yes, after having a lot of courage all night, I came out in the morning. But let me talk to I will stay. Rupali, I don't know what will happen today. Will we both be able to meet after today? Auntie was listening to all this. Auntie took the phone from Rupali and said, come inside. Everything will be fine. Rupali said, Auntie, you are speaking like this. It seems as if everyone knows and everyone agrees. Auntie, no, Rupali, I meant to give courage to both of you. Everyone was sitting and drinking tea. Then the bell rings. Kuldeep Verma. He goes and opens the door. Prem was there at the door. Kuldeep said, what is the matter? Who are you, Prem? Hello, uncle. Yes, yes, hello, son. Who do you want to meet? Prem is completely nervous. When he goes, then grandmother said, come inside. Prem comes inside, says hello to everyone. Only then, Ram Verma said, you hears, Rai Singh's son. How Prem was standing silently. Then Rupali comes out. Everyone in the house was happy except Rupali. Rupali was just scared. Meanwhile, the bell rings again. This time Rupali goes to open the door. As soon as Rupali opens the door, she gets shocked. There was Prem's family at the door. Ram Verma, you. Everyone comes forward. Inside, Prem gets scared seeing his family. Then everyone sits together. Ram Verma said to Prem, come son, sit. Don't be afraid. I knew that you would not be able to say anything. That's why I told your family. Then Prem said, sir, I want that marriage. Then everyone started laughing loudly.